Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video we would be working around some different configurations, maybe Java installation and checking the Node versions and Watchman versions and other things, right? So let's first check the Node version that we have. So we have this Node version installed. Let's check Watchman as well. So we have installed both of these versions in our previous videos, right? So now let's move forward with the installation of the Java development kit, right? So let's see the Java development kit here. So brew for Java we have Zulu 17 as one of the latest one. So let's try to see the command here. So let's copy here, let's paste it. So now it's asking for the password. I'll enter my system password here. So now Zulu 17 is successfully installed, right? Now let's install. So let's check the path of it. I'll add Zulu @17. So now this particular Java SDK is installed. So the path is here. Okay, so now this is installed. So now let's check the Java version. Okay, so now let's check these Java version as well. Okay, so now my Java version is successfully installed with OpenSDK 17, right? So now we do have to copy this path here, right? And we have to use a command that is called open followed by this. So now our Zulu command is, we are able to navigate to this particular path where this SDK 17 is installed successfully, right? Now we would have to add certain installations within our home directory for this to work. So now let's try to go to our .zshrc file again. Okay, so now we would have to add certain setups for Java, right, within this particular file as well. So I'll add it here. So I'll add a Java home variable along with the path, right? And I'll also add one library path here as well. Okay, now I'll just close this and let me use source this. Let's clear it out and close the terminal, and let's try to open the terminal back again. Okay, so let's see Java version. So yeah, Java version is successfully installed. I'll allow it. So now in the next video, we would be checking on the installation of Android Studio, Xcode, etc.